Would you take $1 million today? Or a penny that doubles in value? Every day for 30 days? Comment your answer below. And keep watching as we reveal the more rewarding choice. Later in the video, together, we'll decode the secrets of investment, uncover the mesmerizing power of compounding, and reveal the cunning strategies the rich use to their advantage. Remember, the road to wealth is paved with wise decisions and strategic moves. Hit the like button if you're ready to transform your financial future, and let's dive right in. Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Warren Buffett. Before we delve into investment strategies, it's essential to understand that the cornerstone of investment is saving a portion of your income. It's the nurturing seed from which your magnificent tree of wealth blossoms. Remember, the amount of money you earn is directly proportional to the need for what you do, your ability to do it, and the difficulty there will be in replacing you. Focus on enhancing your skills, and you'll find that there's no real competition, only you competing against yourself to be better. Now, as we talk about enhancing skills and saving, it's equally important to address another crucial aspect: your spending habits. Did you know that cutting down on unnecessary expenses, like those frequent alcoholic drinks, can be a game changer in your financial journey? But it doesn't stop there. Equipping yourself with high-income skills can be your golden ticket to financial freedom, allowing you to provide immense value in the marketplace, and in return, earning a fortune. And remember, this journey is fueled by continuous self-education. A small investment today for a prosperous tomorrow. In the wise words of Napoleon Hill, poverty and riches often change places. Poverty may, and generally does, voluntarily take the place of riches. But when riches take the place of poverty, the change is usually brought about through well-conceived and carefully executed plans. We understand that building such a plan can be difficult, which is why we are here to guide you through it in this video. So, continue watching as we help you construct a roadmap to financial prosperity. To build a millionaire mindset, start by investing consistently, even if it's as small as $5 a week. As time goes, this habit will grow, and you'll find yourself investing hundreds or thousands weekly, venturing into opportunities that grow your wealth. Now, answering the question we posed at the beginning. You'd be astonished to know that a penny doubled every day, for 30 days amounts to a staggering $5,368,709 on the 30th day. This is the power of compounding. So, who chose the penny over $1 million? Give yourself a pat on the back, and maybe a little chuckle for those who thought it was a trick question. As we venture further, we'd like to remind you that mastery is key. However, time is a scarce resource, so it's vital to multiply your sources of income. In the next chapter, we will suggest tips on investing and generating extra income, paving the way to financial freedom. Remember, some principles are utilized by only 1% of the population, yet they amass 96% of all the wealth. These individuals multiply their time by establishing multiple sources of income. A secret to building substantial wealth. If you're finding value in this video, don't forget to hit the like button to support the channel. Recap and actionable points. Focus on enhancing your skills to increase your market value. Set aside a portion of your income for savings regularly. Cut down on unnecessary expenses to boost your savings. Develop a consistent investment habit, starting with small amounts. Consider the power of compounding when planning your investments. Explore opportunities to establish multiple sources of income. The stock market is designed to transfer money from the active to the patient. Warren Buffett. Let's kick things off with a bold revelation. Not all debts are created equal. In fact, leveraging debt intelligently can be your secret weapon in wealth creation. Imagine having a debt that not only helps you build assets, but also saves you from hefty taxes. Yes, we are talking about real estate debts, filled with loopholes that can be your golden ticket to financial growth. Picture this: you've managed to save up $100,000, but instead of letting it sit in a bank, you decide to venture into the real estate market, a domain known for its potential to offer good returns. You find a property listed for $250,000 in a neighborhood showing signs of appreciation. You decide to make a strategic move by putting down a 20% down payment, which amounts to $50,000, securing a mortgage for the remaining amount. But you don't stop there. You earmark another $50,000 from your savings for a well-planned renovation, aiming to enhance the property's value further. This renovation isn't just cosmetic. You focus on making improvements that would genuinely increase the property's market value, such as upgrading the kitchen, adding energy-efficient windows, or enhancing the landscape. A few months later, your efforts bear fruit. The property, now transformed, catches the eye of many potential buyers and renters, elevating its market value to $350,000. You decide to refinance your mortgage at this higher property value. This move not only showers you with a handsome profit, but also sets a grand stage where a steady stream of passive income flows in through rentals. Moreover, this venture opens up avenues for potential tax benefits. This strategy, often utilized by savvy investors, is a testament to the power of leveraging good debt to amplify wealth. But the benefits don't end here. As you hold on to this property, it appreciates in value, adding to your net worth year after year. Furthermore, the rental income can potentially cover your mortgage payments, property maintenance, and even leave you with a surplus, creating a snowball effect of wealth accumulation. This is the magic of good debt. Second, we have the S&P 500 index funds. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is the S&P 500? Well, it's a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest companies listed on the stock exchanges in the United States. Investing in an S&P 500 index fund means you're essentially investing in the top 500 companies in the US, all at once. Historically, the index has offered an average annual return of about 10% before inflation. So why consider S&P 500 index funds? Well, they offer diversification, lower fees compared to actively managed funds, and require less active management, making it a relatively low-risk investment option, especially for long-term investors. Next up, let's talk about gold, a precious metal that has stood the test of time as a valuable investment option. Gold has been a symbol of wealth and a store of value for thousands of years. You can invest in gold in various ways, including buying physical gold or gold ETFs. Generally, gold is seen as a hedge against inflation, with its value often increasing during economic downturns. Investing in gold can be a strategic move, especially if you're looking to diversify your portfolio and safeguard it against economic uncertainty. While it can serve as a hedge against inflation, it doesn't produce any income like dividends or interest, which eliminates the effect of compounding. Further, it can incur storage costs if you're dealing with physical gold. Finally, establishing a business can sometimes feel like a 24/7 job, with no fixed duty hours. It can indeed be hectic. But we're here to share a little tip that might just transform the way you approach your business journey. As you embark on this entrepreneurial journey, it's crucial to start observing every transaction you make closely. Start by paying attention to the details. Whether you're buying a cup of coffee or investing in new software for your business, think about the value it brings, the demand and supply dynamics, and how it fits into the larger market ecosystem. By analyzing the transactions, you start to develop a deeper understanding of the market dynamics. You begin to notice patterns, consumer behaviors, and even potential gaps in the market. As time blossoms, you'll find this practice melding into your very nature, allowing you to perceive the world through the keen eyes of an entrepreneur, spotting golden opportunities and groundbreaking innovations at every corner, ready to be seized. And who knows, the next big business idea might just be lurking around the corner, waiting for you to discover it. Recap and actionable points. Explore investing in the real estate market. Consider leveraging good debt intelligently to build assets and save on taxes. Allocate funds for strategic property renovations to increase market value. Invest in S&P 500 index funds for diversified, long-term investment opportunities. Consider adding gold to your investment portfolio as a hedge against economic uncertainty. Develop an entrepreneurial mindset by observing and understanding the business mechanics behind every transaction you make. Now, we are eager to hear from you. Have you ventured into any of these investment strategies before? Share your experiences in the comments below. And let's knit a vibrant community where we learn, flourish, and soar to new heights together. We hope this video has ignited a spark in you to take control of your financial future. Before we wrap up, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to stay updated with more insightful content. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. If you found this interesting, you should also watch the Money Mindset video, which serves as the foundational roadmap to this financial series and tips. You can click the link now at the top left of your screen.